What is going on? I am so freaking happy. I got my brand new Temu clubs in the mail. I'm doing an unboxing and I'm going to go swing at the range. It's late at night. I wish I could go right now because I'm so excited. I suck at golf, by the way. I'm a handicap of like, I average 108. So what's that? 28, 36 handicapper here. I'm currently hitting some Callaway S880s, I believe. Maybe not, I don't know. But I saw a lot of stuff about this online and everybody's raving about it, and I was actually to get these under $200 freaking dollars, and I'm doing an unboxing and I'm going to take them on a range. I might even do a whole live thing, so hit the subscribe button in case I don't do everything in one video, but yeah, so I'm going to do an unboxing. This is the iron set. I got these for under $200, and I actually just checked, they had sold out. Now they're over $600, so I'm so excited. But yeah, so unboxing, the boxing is fine, no damage. It took less than, I think, like 10 days to get here. They come with their own little sleeves. All right, check it out right here. Yeah, so let's see what this one is. I can already tell I'm probably going to change the grips. The grips look fine, but I've been reading a lot about having oversized grips, especially if I have a grip issue, and so I'm probably going to change these out at some point. But for the time being, yeah, this is taking a long. There we go. I'm going to use what I got. All right, so we got that, then we got the head. Oh my goodness, they look good. They look good. They had a bronze style and a black style. I have the wedge. I have a 60-degree wedge and let me tell you, that thing is awesome. I've never had backspin on a ball. I have backspin now. All right, so this is the 9 iron. Check it, check it, check it. Looks freaking good. I watched another video where it was a comparison video of this and the TaylorMades, and yeah, oh my gosh, I want to go hit right now. So there's my 9. I like that it has these little sleeves. You can see what it is. Check out the little sleeve. I'm having to film it on multiple things, so all right, we'll see what, I don't even know if it's a full set or what we got going on here. Oh, we got a 4 iron. You know what? I'm not going to make y'all sit here and unwrap every single one. I'm just going to talk about what I have. 6 iron. I don't know if this included a wedge or not. 5 iron. I do like it has little sleeves. Pitching wedge, which this is tells you how much I know. I don't even know what degree a pitching wedge is, so we'll see. I have a 60-degree, like I said, and I have a 50-degree, so we'll have to do a comparison of that. And I have a pitching wedge as well. What is this? An 8 iron. 8 iron. And a, is that a 4? I thought I already said I had a 4. Let's see. Oh boy. Let's see what we got. Hang on a second. I might have misread something. We got a 4. Get this out of the way. Got a 4. Oh, this is a 7. Whew, I thought they messed it up. 7, 6, pitching, 8, 9. So there's my iron set. So far for the unboxing, I'm pretty happy. This is they look good. They look real freaking good. Let's get another club to see what it feels like. I don't ever hit a 4. Let's see. Let's get my 5 out. Let's at least see what the 5 feels like. Whew. Feels like I'm going to make my handicap go down like 2 strokes. So that's a win. Anyway, all right. So I already know this video is going to go into a full video at the range to try them out, but let's go.